Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your XRP from Kraken, a popular exchange, over to MetaMask, a versatile wallet for managing assets. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in a way that's simple and straightforward. First off, why do this? MetaMask gives you more control and flexibility, especially if you're bridging to other networks or exploring DeFi opportunities. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready: an active Kraken account with some XRP in it, a MetaMask wallet set up on your device, and a basic understanding of crypto transactions. Also, double-check that your MetaMask is connected to the correct network. XRP might require a specific bridge or wrapped version in 2025, so keep an eye on that. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your XRP balance and select the Withdraw option. Step 2. You'll need to enter the destination address. Open your MetaMask wallet, switch to the appropriate network if needed, perhaps the XRP ledger or a compatible bridge, and copy the receiving address. Paste that into Kraken's withdrawal form. Step 3. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember to leave some for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes, then confirm the transaction. Kraken will process it, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Once the transfer is initiated, head back to MetaMask and keep an eye on your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the XRP to show up, depending on network conditions in 2025. If it doesn't appear, check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and enable security features on both platforms to protect your assets. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Kraken to MetaMask in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.